Hey everyone, welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's Instagram story video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use Instagram stories voice changer. So it's a new, feature provided by Instagram. So if you do not have the feature, then you guys need to update your Instagram. So make sure your Instagram is up to date. And if your Instagram is up to date, then follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you, alright? By using voice changer, you can literally change your voice. So the voice you're hearing right now is my normal voice. Now at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys what my voice would sound like if I use the voice changer, alright? So let's jump right into the video, shall we? But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video to learn amazing tricks just like this. So let's hop into the video, shall we? So the first thing is you want to open your Instagram and you want to go to your stories camera. So for that, you want to click on your profile picture, you want to click on this plus, click on story. And after you're on your stories, camera looking thing over here just like this, what you want to do is you want to scroll down at the right until you see this little, search looking icon calling itself the browse effect. You want to click on it. After clicking on it, it's going to take you to its browsing page of Instagram. And in this, click on the search icon and you want to search for a voice effect. After you search for voice effect, these are all the voice effect. You can choose whichever you want. So let's say I want the first one over here. I'm going to click on the first voice effect. What you want to do is you want to click on where it says try it. You want to click on try it. After you click on try it, the effect is going to be available over here. Now there's a lot of effect over here you can select from. You can choose whichever you want. A robot type of voice effect, or a, announcer, or a vocalist, or like a giant, or like a helium one, whichever you want. So after you choose the one which you like, you just need to record a video how you normally record a video using your Instagram's camera by holding on this button, and then whatever voice is recorded on that video, it will be transferred into the helium one or the effect which you chose. All right, so that's basically how this effect works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I'm going to be showing you guys my voice changed video. So this is my normal voice, so keep that in mind.
So this is my voice after using the effect. As you guys can see, it has changed. So yeah, that's it, how you guys can do it. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye until then, and do like and subscribe. Have a nice day, everybody.